It's your boy Sat coming to you with today's stock pick. Remember, this channel is all about no face, just facts in less than 5 minutes. Let's get started. Today we're talking about CODX, ticker symbol CODX. And if you were watching the alerts early this morning, this stock absolutely exploded. At one point, CODX was up more than 40% in a single trading session. That means if you followed this play when I called it last week, you're absolutely winning today. Now let's break down exactly what happened and why traders are suddenly paying attention to this stock again. CODX is a molecular diagnostics company focused on PCR testing technology. The company became well known during the COVID era because of its rapid testing solutions. But after the pandemic hype cooled off, the stock spent years getting crushed. We're talking about a stock that once traded above $60 and eventually fell into penny stock territory. But today changed the conversation. The stock ripped from around $5 to over $7 in a violent breakout move with huge volume confirmation. And whenever you see volume explode like this on a small cap biotech or diagnostics company, traders immediately start asking one question: what does the market know? Now, to be clear, momentum traders do not always need perfect fundamentals to make money. Sometimes the technical setup alone creates opportunity, and that's exactly what happened here. Looking at the chart, CODX had been consolidating for weeks in a tight range before finally breaking resistance with momentum. Once it cleared previous highs, buyers flooded in aggressively. Short sellers likely got trapped, which added even more fuel to the move. That's why this candle matters. This wasn't just a tiny move. This was a statement candle with strong continuation potential if momentum continues. Now let's talk technicals. The first thing standing out is volume. Volume came in massively above average, and in the market, volume is confirmation. Big money does not hide volume. If institutions or aggressive traders are stepping in, the chart tells the story. Second, momentum indicators are flashing bullish. The stock pushed aggressively above recent resistance zones and held strength instead of immediately collapsing. That tells you buyers are still interested. Third, psychology matters. A lot of traders missed the first leg up, and now they're watching for dips to enter. That creates a possible fear of missing out effect where every pullback gets bought quickly. But let's keep it real. Stocks like CODX are extremely volatile. A stock can go up 40% one day and drop 20% the next morning. That's why risk management matters more than hype. Never chase giant green candles blindly. If you're entering after a huge move, you need a plan. Know your entry, know your exit, know your stop loss. Because momentum trading without discipline is basically gambling. Now here's what I'll personally be watching moving forward. Can CODX hold above key support levels around the breakout zone? If buyers defend those levels, this move could continue into a multi-day runner. But if volume dries up and momentum fades, traders may begin taking profits aggressively. Another thing to watch is news catalysts. Small cap biotech and diagnostic stocks move fast when headlines hit. Any additional company announcement, FDA-related update, partnership news, or earnings surprise could create another major move. And remember, the market loves momentum. When retail traders see a stock trending, social media attention alone can bring more buyers into the play. That's why these explosive setups sometimes continue longer than expected. Now let's talk mindset. A lot of people believe you need thousands of dollars to make money in the market. But plays like this show how quickly momentum can change an account. Even a small position can produce meaningful percentage gains when you catch the right setup early. But consistency beats luck. The goal is not to chase every hot stock. The goal is learning how to identify momentum, understand technical setups, and manage risk like a professional trader. Today, CODX rewarded traders who were prepared. And if you followed this play early, congratulations, because a 40% move in one morning is exactly why people pay attention to momentum stocks. But always remember, protect your capital first. The market will always give another opportunity. Like, subscribe, and comment some stocks you want to hear about as we continue our journey toward 10,000 subscribers.